Hey, it's Jim. So, this was my first Halloween actually dressing up as an adult, okay? And it was really fun. I wasn't gonna do it at first, and then I thought life is short, so why not? So, I settled on Elphaba since I already had her glasses anyway, and her nails never disappoint. So, I had to match, okay? Instead of polygel, this time I used the Beetles Tipex Instant Apex press on nails. These tips are thick, they're durable, they have the apex on them, which honestly, it's a high apex, okay? They do have a version of them that have a lower apex, but there's still one there. I probably will get those next time, but overall, these were nice. They came with a mini lamp to flash cure, the glue gel, a 180 grit nail file, and a bajillion nail tips, okay? So many of them. And they're pre-etched and they're great, you know. I just had to file a little around the cuticle area to match the size of my nails because my cuticles are more narrow than the top of my nails. Overall, it was a super simple process. I started with the normal prep, push back cuticles, clip them away, take the shine off the nails, all that good stuff, dehydrate. I also etched the inside of the nail tips with the dehydrator. Even though they're pre-etched, I wanted to make sure they were durable since they were the longer ones, and I wanted them to at least last a while, okay? Which I'm not gonna lie, after wearing these a couple days, I don't really care for this long of a length. I keep hitting them on everything, but they're still cute and they did the job, okay? Now, with these, what I did was I used the IBD nail primer instead of the base coat before putting the glue on, and I feel like that helped because there's something about my base coat. I feel like it makes my nails peel super fast, like they don't stay attached to my nails. I don't know. Anyway, so after that, what you do is you put a little bit of glue at the base of the nail tip and you press it onto your nail at a 45-degree angle and apply pressure as you push down to make the glue go up the rest of the nail until the free edge. I did put too much glue. It was squeezing out, but once you flash cure it, it's really rubbery and you can literally just pull it off. So that was a plus. I like that about it. Also, I did the overlay method. So for every nail, I applied them a little further up, maybe like 1 millimeter away from my cuticle. That way I could go in with a layer of builder gel to secure the cuticle area of my nails to prevent lifting. So after the nails are attached, I used my Melody Susie e-file to just basically go around the cuticle area of the nail to make sure that it is as flush as possible. After that, I removed the shine from the top of the nail tips and applied my Beetles builder gel before adding my designs and gel polish. I can say I had an idea of a color scheme in mind, but I didn't really know what I was gonna do until I did it. So I just kind of freestyled it, okay? Elphaba's nails are very whimsical, so I feel like this marble design kind of fit that. And I added a touch of pink in there because it just kind of tied in the look. I wasn't 100% sold on this design, I'm not gonna lie. But after I saw the end result, and it was 3 a.m., it is what it is. So I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll leave links to all the products because I am an Amazon girly. And of course, I hope you guys had a safe Halloween. All right, have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.